In this video, I will show you how you can join my Dripaholics team, and earn free drip tokens every Sunday when I do my team airdrops and share my drip profits. So if you like to get free crypto money, keep watching this video to the end. Now, what exactly is a drip team? Well, it's a community of people who work together to stake drip tokens in the staking platform to earn more drip. It's that simple. You sign up for a drip account with the buddy address of the team leader. You use BNB to swap for drip and deposit the drip tokens in the Faucet. That's all it takes to join a team. The team leader will airdrop a certain amount of free drip tokens to your wallet on a specific date. In my case, I will do my team airdrops once a week on Sundays. You probably ask yourself, why would I give away money for free if I can keep it all to myself and use it to increase my own drip balance? Well, in my case, it's simple. I want to build a drip community where we support and help each other. I really think that drip has an enormous potential. As we speak, the price of drip is still going up, and some amazing platforms will be released soon like the Mana Farm that will make drip one of the most valuable tokens ever. Drip is built by a professional crypto developer, and will turn people like you and me into millionaires. The tokenomics of drip are really unseen, and unlike farmers or mining platforms where people need to get in first to get their initial investment out, the drip staking contract has no time frame to get in. It's built for the long run. Even if you get into drip today, or next week, you will earn 1% per day on your investment. And if you compound your daily profits every 24 hours, you will reach your maximum payout much faster. Download the Drip Faucet spreadsheet calculator and you can see how much money you can make with drip. This is a free spreadsheet, and it's easy to use. I have created a video with tips on how to download and edit the spreadsheet, and the link is below my video. And the second reason is that when you join my team, I get a small percentage of the money that you invest, and I think that you deserve to be rewarded for putting your trust in me. That's why I want to give back to the community. The more people who get into my team, the more drip tokens will become available to use for the airdrops, so we will all profit from the team. I will earn more drip, and you will get a bigger share of the drip that I make. It's simple mathematics, but it works wonderfully. The airdrops will work as follows. Every Sunday I will claim the profits from my drip account and distribute it to my team members. If you join drip using my buddy link, you will be automatically included in these airdrops, so there's no work from your side involved. The profits will be evenly distributed to all the drip wallets. You don't have to do anything. If you check your drip account, you will see the free drip tokens after the airdrop has been done. Drip has literally taken off. Just a few days ago the drip token was priced around $26 and now it's all the way up to almost $60. Drip doubled in price in just a few days, and we are now in a downtrend crypto market, so believe me when I say that drip has an amazing potential. I expect to see drip going up to $100 soon, and the staking platform is only 7 months old, so that's just incredible. This is all fairly new, and early investors who bought drip when it was $8 or $9 are earning tons of money right now every single day. If you have no idea what drip is, and how you can earn 1% passive income every day on your drip tokens, then take a moment to watch the drip video that I created first. Or you can download my free drip ebook guide, in which I explain how to get started with drip and how you can join my Dripaholics team. I will leave both links in the description box below. As you may already know, drip allows you to build a team of players who join the drip network under you, and when they sign up with your buddy link, you get a share of their profits. Now, you are not required to build a team to participate in drip. You can invest in drip on your own, and compound your 1% daily interest until you hit the maximum payout. But if you build a team under you, you will collect more drip and reach your maximum payout much faster. If you want to refer people under you, you must keep some drip tokens in your Metamask wallet. Check my video or download my free ebook guide to see how and where you can buy these drip tokens and build your own network. You can also join a team, and receive free drip tokens from your team leader's airdrops, depending on how much drip you have put in the contract. Drip makes it easy for team leaders to distribute drip tokens to their referrals, and airdrops are a great tool to reward people and help them grow the drip account at the same time. Some team leaders only airdrop to people who invested a minimum amount of drip, so small players are often left in the cold. And that's exactly why I set up a brand new drip account, called Dripaholics, where I will send free drip to everybody who joins my team, no matter how much drip you invest. I will do the drip airdrops every Sunday, and I will announce them in my Dripaholics Telegram group, so you may want to join my Telegram to get all the latest updates first. I want to keep this Telegram for my team members only, to avoid spam and useless chatter. There's also a Dripaholics Telegram chat box if you want to chat with me or other team members or ask any questions about the team. If you already have a Drip account, then you will need to make a new one, and use my buddy address to join Drip. I have added the buddy address below in the description box. Creating a new account in your Metamask wallet is simple. Just add an account and give it a new name so you know this is the Dripaholics Team wallet. Remember that you need to invest the minimum amount of 1 drip when opening a new account, or you can't participate in the drip network. Also keep in mind that the drip tokens that you receive from the airdrops go straight to your deposits in the Faucet, and not to your Metamask wallet, so you cannot take the drip out. I compound or hydrate drip every day to get more drip in my wallet faster, which will also benefit you as a Dripaholics team member. The more drip I make, the more drip payouts that will be airdropped over time, and the faster your Faucet will grow. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments section, or ask me anything in the Dripaholics Telegram chat box. Don't forget to use my buddy address below when you open a new drip account, or else you can't get the airdrops. Of course, this is not financial advice. I only share what I do. Don't just copy my strategy. I am not a professional trader or investor, but just an ordinary guy who likes making some extra cash with crypto. Always do your own research before you invest any of your hard-earned money into a crypto platform. That being said, if you like the idea of letting your crypto money earn passive income, please subscribe to this channel for more crypto-related videos and tips. Have a wonderful day.